Hi everyone! We just taught Molly the listening rules and the listening rules song. So let's play a quick game to remember them. I'll say the rule and do the action and you do it too. Eyes are watching, ears are listening, voice is quiet, body calm. Let's do it one more time, but this time I will mix it up a little bit. Ears are listening, eyes are watching, body calm, voice is quiet. Very good. So now let's look at our story card for today. This is a class pretty much like the ones at FECC. You have your teacher and all of the students sitting at the carpet listening to a story. Tina is telling the class about her cat Marmalade that's orange and that he has whiskers that tickle her when she cuddles with him, and she loves Marmalade. Look at the picture a little closer though. How can you tell everyone is listening to her? Are they following the listening rules? Are their eyes watching? Yep, Tina's teacher is looking right at her, and her friends' eyes are looking right at her. Are they listening? Well, we can't see that they're listening or know that they're listening by looking at a picture, but because they're watching, and look at his ears, he looks alert and ready to listen. What about their voices? Are they talking while she's talking? No. His voice is quiet, her voice is quiet, and even her teacher is smiling and listening and showing that she is tuned in to what Tina is saying. So her voice is off too. Lastly, are their bodies calm? Everyone is sitting calmly. We didn't see them give themselves a hug to calm down, but their hands are in their laps. And again, that shows they're listening because their bodies are nice and calm. How do you think Tina feels to know that her teacher and her friends are listening to her? That probably makes her feel really special inside to know that what she has to say is important. It is important to take turns and listen to each other. When Tina's turn is over, another friend can take a turn and tell about their pet. Do you think Tina will use her listening rules and listen to her friends when it's their turn to tell about their pets? I'm pretty sure she will. When we listen to each other, it makes us all feel special.